Hello, what's up? This is Oston called Cypher back again with another brand new video on web development. And today what we are going to be looking at is what they call the fixed head and footer, and this is commonly on even major sites like Facebook, Twitter, anything. Most especially these, let me say, all websites, not all websites, but mainly those major websites use it. So the live example I can give you right now, it is in this text editor, Notepad++. I'll create some white space by placing this enter, and when I get this scroll sidebar, so when you are able to scroll this like this, assuming this is the header of this text editor, and this line you're seeing here is the footer. So we want to create something that will stay in one position even if the user scrolls that sidebar like this. Only the text will be disappearing, but the head and footer will always stay in one position. That's what we're trying to create in this video. So I'll take it back to its normal state, and we no longer have the sidebar side. And I'm going to be using divs to create this head footer and footer not head footer, so head and footer. So I'll create the div, create another div, so and I'm going to give every div an ID. So I'll call this ID equals to header, call this header, and the second ID I give it an ID of footer, ID equals footer. So right now this is what we have, and I'm going to put in some text here so that we can see what our stuff will look like. Oston code Cypher, and in the footer I will put this copyright symbol. I'll say ampersand copy semicolon, so that we create the copyright symbol. Oston code Cypher 2017. When I save this and preview it in our browser, Google Chrome, hey, hurry up. Hey, as you're taking so long, Google Chrome. So as it's loading, oh, la 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 la. What's up? And this is what we are having. I'm sorry for that delay time. This computer had some problems maybe. So we're having this as our header and this as our footer, and as you can see we're having this copyright symbol where we used this ampersand copy and semicolon. So to target this in our CSS, we shall use the hash symbol or pound symbol, and I have already linked my style sheet. It is style.css, and we have another tab here where it is located. So to target the header, we shall use hash header, and I'll give it a background color. Oh, what's up? Background color, and I'll give it black. and I'll also give it the let me show you every step we take. This is what we are having, and our text has disappeared. So right now we shall give it a color white, so that you can easily see it. And this is what we are having so far. That's our header. Then we want it to be in one place. What we shall do, give it a position of fixed position. Almost this is the magic, and we shall say fixed. And you know, something fixed is always in one place, so we shall give it fixed, and all stuff will be under that header. Then we go ahead and give it sorry, we go ahead and give it the padding, or we give it the width so that it occupies this space. Width is 100%. So it should be able to cover all this part. But as you can notice, our footer has been covered behind that header. But don't worry, we shall go ahead to solve that. And we are going to give it, we want it to be touching this upper space. So we shall give it top 0 pixels. And when we load here, check out, it has gone to the extreme edges. There is no margin left, and we also don't want this white space on the left hand side to be there, so we shall also say left 0 pixels. When you save that, it has also covered. And also we need to create some space to give it some breathing space. We shall give it a padding of 8 pixels. When I reload this in the browser, this is what we shall be having. Now that's our header, it's done. Then we go and target the footer. So to target the footer, we shall say hash footer. We shall give it also the same background color black. Give it color white. Almost they are the same properties we are going to be using. Position fixed. So here, what is going to change, where you're seeing top for the footer, since it's going to be at this bottom end, we shall say bottom, give it 0 pixels. So see, when we save this, we are having our footer here, but we also want it to stretch up to this end. We shall give it a width of 100%. Width 100%. It has also covered, and we don't want this white space on the left hand side. We again say left 0 pixels, and it has also occupied that space. Then we also give it a padding of 8 pixels also. And that will be final. That will be our stuff. Then I'm going to import in some text to see how, if it works. these footers are in one place, I'll go to Word or Microsoft Word and I create some fake document. Write rand equals rand. So if you want to create some fake document, press enter. So you have created some fake document for testing. I'll make these ones paragraphs, so that I just import them and throw them in the text editor. So I'll select all of them. Oh, I'm still having some paragraphs here. Now I'm going to copy these and throw them in our text editor. In between these two divs, that's what we are having. Again, I throw them. So when we are to come here, this is what we are having. As you can see, our editor, our head and footer are in the fixed position. They cannot be moved, but our text has been covered behind this header. So I will target this body in our CSS body and give it a margin 48 pixels on the top, 0 pixels on the right, 0 pixels on the left, on the bottom, and 64 pixels on the left. So save this, and this is what we are having. So we have successfully created our fixed head and footer. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe on my channel and dab to the haters. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and pause this video, copy the code, just 2 steps, footer, header, and we're having almost the same stuff, apart from where there is top, you put bottom in the footer. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe on my channel, as I'm also giving this some background color. Gray. Oh.